Hi guys, welcome back. Let's start class chapter 2 where we will understand how to set up our environment. It is very important to prepare our development environment. Without this, we will not be able to start doing programming. So first, we have to go to the browser and download JDK. Always, it's recommended to always download from the Oracle site. So just need to type JDK 11. So the first link you go to here, which is the Oracle, which is official. So it's important that you always go to the official website, and we are downloading JDK 11.0.16.1. So if you have any specific requirement, you can go down and see the versions, this version, and on you can download those, like this is 15.1 and similarly 11.0.15. so we will discuss about these versions. It is important when you are running this application on servers. It's sometime recommendation will be given for the specific version, so then that case you have to download that. So click here and it will just ask for your Oracle credentials. Then it will allow you to download. I have already downloaded this JDK, and also my credential is already there, so my account is already there, so hence I no need to create account, or I no need to do anything. This is my account is already created. So next what we have to do, once we have done the download, it will be there in the download folder. Once we're done with the download, there's simple task just you need to do. Okay, you should always have admin rights, otherwise it will not run. So first double click on this, so it will show that okay, and it will show yes. It will prepare for the installation. It will ask it will show you the welcome and the version details. You should say next, and it will be by default it will be saving into the C program files Java. It will create a Java folder. Currently if you go and see, it will not be there, so it is showing C program files, so we don't have Java. So now I'm not changing the path, I'm taking the same path. Let's go to check how the development is happening. Okay, it has extracted the okay, it's fine. So installation is successful. Let's finish. So let's check, is it installed? So what was the path? In C program files Java. Okay, see, now we can see that Java folder is automatically came. Now JDK, so this is the JDK. So let's go to the command prompt. So two ways you can go to the command prompt. You can type here command, or you can directly type here as a command, which takes to the directly to this path. So let's run Java C -version. Okay, now see Java -version. So it will show you the version details. Okay, so let's set up the, now our next point is we have downloaded, we have done the installation. Now we have to set an environment to this. To set an environment, we have to take this path into the bin folder. Okay, so let's go to the my computer properties. So here it should be environment. Okay, system environment. Okay, this is the account. Okay, there is a two environments. One is the account and another is a system level. When you create a system level where somebody else is login with your system, then it will be easily able to see this. And okay, now we have to say new. When you just say new, we have to just give this one till bin. Okay, fine. Okay, so before doing this thing, let me show you that Java will not be working in other places. Like here, if I go to D drive, here if I say Java hyphen version, okay, Java C hyphen version, okay, I think it has already done the setting for the Java path. So let's see. Might be the changes what we had done, it took automatically, or how it is. So here okay, the first path is there, program common Oracle Java path. This is the reason it is running. Okay, anyway, fine, not to worry about this. So this is how we have done the Java installation. So now let's understand the this version related things. So our second topic is need to understand this version. So first let me take this one here. Okay, so if you just okay, so in this one, so let me take a red. So if you see, here is a Java, this is a major version. Okay, this is the what we say that it is the Java major version, and this is the minor release version, and this is another build, and similarly this is also the build one. So when you just see this LTS, mean it's a long time support. So this, when you see the long time support, only those you have to take it and you have to start doing the programming. So for the production environment, it's very important you should have a long term and the stable what I want to say that you should need a stable Java. You shouldn't be having anything unverified and unstable product for your production. Otherwise you will end up having a different types of issues, so that will be difficult. So you understood how this versioning is done. The first one, it is a major version. This number increased whenever new version is released. So like when they have released a major version as a 12, they have mentioned as a 12, 13, 14, 15, like that they have a version. And next one, this 01 is the minor version. So this one is a minor version. So this minor version is always incremented by 1. So if you have seen here, so in this 11, this is a 11 is a major version. In this is the minor version. Okay, in this this is also minor. See here 1. So on this minor, whenever they will have any changes, they will mention this one. If you see, only the security changes is there. So this is the security number, so which shows that what security fixes they have done in this. So here is the checksum. You can go and check what they have done in this. Okay. Similarly, if you just check in the 11 version, so yeah, this is the major version, this is the minor version, and this is the release. Okay, and this you don't have in a fourth position. So this is not mandatory that fourth position you will be having always. Okay, see this one and this one also 11. So similarly, if you go back, if you have 10, let's check we have 10 or no, we don't have 10, we have only 11. So 11, what are the versions we are having? It has been shown. Okay, so if you just see, is this is the first version which is released. Okay, and here you don't have any subversions. Okay, now we have done our first this thing. So we have understood how to install, how to download, how to install, how to set up the environment, or how the versionings are there. So let's run one simple program and check that our uh, our programs, our environment is up and running. So let's go to the, I have my work. Okay guys, let's now start writing a code. So we will write one simple program for our first program to see our code, our environment, what we have set up is working or not. So let me write a simple program. Public, okay, class, what should be the class name? It should be first demo class. Fine. Okay, now this is very important too, and the class. Okay, this and class. Now here we should need a one method entry point which we call public static void main string args of. Okay, let's close it. Okay, let's open the bracket, close the bracket. This is very important when we are writing code in Notepad and we are not using ID. You should be very careful when you are closing. So end main method. So here here we need a output system dot out dot println, say welcome to first Java program. So this is how it is, very simple. So we done everything. Alt F S, so saving. So what was our location? Java tutorial. Okay, so here let's select all and give the file name as, let's do more simple. So select, copy this one, Alt F(S). When you're saving, go here and here select all. Here put codes and .java as a Java file you need to save. So once we done the saving, okay, fine. Just go to the compiler, Java C first Java class. Okay, compilation is done, no error. So Java first. Okay, now need to run. Okay, let me show you one more thing. So we were having only one class, we created only. So Java is creating this bytecode. This bytecode you can take and run in any environment, and you should have only the Java. So need to set up an environment and you need to run this one. You can run in Windows, you can run in Linux, any other machine you can go and run. So let me run here. So this is how. So this is what we have got our first output. This is our output. So thanks guys. So you got it, our first class, and it's so simple. So thank you very much.